1. Product Overview. The Lumyhealth Multi-Spectrum Red Light Therapy Pad supports at-home muscle recovery, pain relief, and wellness. Its flexible design fits various body areas comfortably. 2. How it works. Featuring 6 wavelengths, 635, 660, 808, 830, 850, 1064 nanometers, red light promotes circulation and skin health, while near-infrared light penetrates deeper to relieve muscle tension, reduce inflammation, and aid tissue recovery. Usage. Power on, off with the button. Select intensity, P1, P5, and choose pulse frequencies, 10 Hz, 40 Hz, for relaxation or enhanced recovery. Placement. Place flat or wrap gently on the back, waist, legs, or joints for hands-free use. 5. Safety tips. Use 10 to 20 minutes per session, 3 to 5 times weekly. Start with lower settings and avoid broken skin. Consult a professional if needed.